Hi kids, welcome to our exciting sea tour. Today we are going to explore the amazing animals that live in the ocean like starfish, dolphin, octopus, shark and many more. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Look, it's a pod of dolphins. Dolphins are super friendly and love to play. Wow, did you see that? That's a whale. Whales are the giant of the sea. Watch out, here comes the sharks. Sharks might look scary, but most of them are harmless to humans. They have very super sharp teeth. Oh, it's a sea turtle. Sea turtles have been around since the time of the dinosaurs. They love to swim long distances and come to shore to lay their eggs. Can you see that octopus? Octopus is a master of disguise. Octopus can change their color and shape to blend in with their surroundings. Look at the jellyfish. They move so gracefully like they are dancing in the water. And here's a starfish. Starfish have a cool trick. If they lose an arm, they can grow it back. They come in many different colors and shapes. Check out the seahorse. They look just like little horse. Seahorse love to hold on to seed with their tails so they don't float away. Look, it's a clownfish. Clownfish live in sea anemones and are good friends with them. See this crab. Crabs have big claws and walk sideways. They live in both the ocean and the beach. They love to dig and hide in the sand. And here's a lobster. Lobsters have strong claws and long bodies. They like to hide under rocks and come out at night to look for food. And here are the sea lions. They can bark just like dogs. Sea lions love to sunbathe on the rocks and are very special animals. Look at those playful seals. Seals love to swim and play in the water. They are very curious and love to explore. Watch out for the stingrays. They glide through the water like flying carpet. Stingrays have a long tail with a stinger for protection. Can you see that eel hiding? Eels look like long snakes. They love to hide in coral reefs and wait for their food to swim by. Those spicy creatures are sea urchins. Sea urchins have sharp spines to protect themselves. They move slowly on the ocean floor. Oh, it's a manatee. Manatees are also known as sea cows. They are gentle giants who love to eat plants and swim slowly in the water. Here come the shrimp. Shrimp are tiny but important. They clean up the ocean floor and are a tasty treat for many fish. And finally, here's a squid. Squid have long tentacles and can swim really fast. Yes, that was an amazing sea tour. The ocean is full of incredible animals, each with their own special abilities. Thanks for joining us today. Don't see you next time. Bye bye.